Hello guys, welcome back to my channel 20 Fashion. I hope you all are doing well and doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way you can get all your notifications of my latest videos. So your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic that is about Bixie Bob haircut ideas which are going on trending. So let's start the video. These Bixie Bob haircut ideas are really amazing, latest, outstanding, mind blowing, fantastic, and gorgeous that will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. So, ladies, don't waste your time. Just take a screenshot of your favorite one Bixie Bob haircut and go to your hairstylist and let me know also through comment section that which haircut of Bixie among them you select for yourself. And if you like the video, you can share this video to your friends, family members, and social contacts. In this way, they can get updated with fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend. One is amazing thing is that after getting these beautiful latest hairstyle, you don't need to style them for a long time. After getting these hairstyles, you will be ready to go anywhere, anytime, like fashion shows, get togethers, functions, parties, even though in weddings and receptions also. All young and teenage girls are getting these hairstyles as well, while all the age girls and ladies can adopt these hairstyles. These hairstyles enhance the beauty of your personality, no doubt. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section and keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me as well. Your support keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys according to your choice next. So guys, I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself. God bless you all. And again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. I will be there in next video with one of your and other favorite topic according to fashion and trend. Till then, take care yourselves and have a great hair day.